Hello, Oak Hills families and students. This is Dr. Labatt. I'd like to welcome you to the 2020-2021 school year. I'm going to take some time to go over some important information before we begin school tomorrow. First of all, we're going to go over a list of our teachers, and you can see that our kindergarten teachers have remained the same. However, Mrs. Rude was married this summer and is now Mrs. Gallagher. Our first grade team is Miss Hegg, Mrs. Eglin, and Mrs. Johnson. Second grade, Mrs. Lockey, Mrs. Woods, Mrs. Quall. In third grade, we have Mrs. McCullough, Mrs. Ryan, Miss Sipe, who previously taught in fourth grade, and in Ignite, we have Mrs. Pettis. Fourth grade, we have Mr. Heeman, Miss Whittle, who used to be Mrs. Warfield, but she was also married this summer, and Mrs. McKinley in Ignite. In fifth grade, we have Mrs. Bakke, Mr. Larson, Mrs. Urban, and Mrs. Wilson, who teaches our Ignite classroom. Our specialists all remain the same. However, Mr. Noonan, who previously taught second grade, is now our new STEM teacher. Make sure that you're able to access these programs before school begins. You may also choose to add the apps to your own device. These are important, and I suggest that you become familiar with them and download them as soon as you can. This year, we're going to be working in a hybrid model. While students are in school, they will be learning from their classroom teacher in the classroom with a designated group A or B. While the students are at home, they'll be working on assignments provided by their teachers. On Wednesdays, which we'll call Flex Wednesdays, students will work at home. These days are designed to help students who have questions, need additional instruction, or desire help on assignments. These days will allow our custodians to deep clean spaces between A and B student cohorts. Attendance this year will be taken both in school and at home. Masks, very important. Each student will receive a mask lanyard to help them keep track of their face mask at school. Masks must be worn all day while in school. Students can take their masks off at lunch and at recess, and when appropriate during gym class. Hand washing is crucial to prevent the spread of germs. Students will wash their hands many times throughout the day. Lunch in the cafeteria. Students will eat lunch in the cafeteria while sitting in their class group. They'll be sitting on areas that are marked to ensure as much social distancing as possible. Students will no longer have to type in their lunch code with our new system called Titan. It will be by picture identification. Specialists, same as in the years before. This year we'll be having 4 specialists, including music, PE, STEM, and art. These classes will last 50 minutes. On Wednesdays, the specialists will hold WebEx meetings for a whole class in groups A and B. Classroom teachers will let you know which specialists they have on a particular Wednesday. Items to bring to school. Remember to bring your device, your charged iPad, and a charging cord, a water bottle, because our drinking fountains will be off limits, an extra mask, and also, most importantly, their smile. The nurse's office. Please make sure to go over the health checklist before sending your child to school each day. It's important that if they have COVID symptoms, that they stay home. Any students or staff showing signs of symptoms will be sent to the nurse immediately, and parents will be contacted when and if necessary. As you can see by the map that I created, I wanted to show you the traffic flow at Oak Hills. The white lines designate the appropriate twists and turns in our parking lot to ensure safety for everyone. You can notice that on the right-hand side of the picture, that is an entrance only, and there are no exits marked by the red X. And on the left, exit only, to the right, you will notice an X, a red X there, indicating that there is no entrance at that site. We've also provided you a list of what the expectations are with quarantining. Please take time to review this document. It is important. Lastly, if you need more questions to be answered, here is a link to the Lakeville Safe Learning Plan. I hope that you all have a tremendous year, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Signing off for now, Dr. Labatt. See you in the morning.